Hello friends, welcome to Saupurnika Store channel. Have you ever heard about a spice plant that produces two different spices from one fruit? Yes, this time I have come before you to discuss about such a world famous spice fruit and the wonderful tree that produced this unique fruit. This spice has ruled the world with its magic aromatic power ever since they were discovered in the Middle Ages by Europeans. Yes, I am discussing about nutmeg spice fruits and the wonderful tree that helps us in getting maize and sweet aromatic fruit spice. This spice is very familiar to all spice lovers and needs no special introduction. So let us go into details of this spice plant. This video covers various uses and all vital details related to propagation, planting, growing, flowering, fruiting and harvesting of nutmeg. Please therefore see the video to the last. Nutmeg name is derived from the Latin nux muscatus, which means musky nut. This name very perfectly suits the spicy, sweet, facet and pungent aromatic nutmeg. Nutmeg trees in fact are the natives of Indonesian cluster of islands. These spice trees are mainly cultivated in the spicy Indonesian islands and West Indies. Indonesia is said to be the largest producer of nutmeg and its byproducts. History shows that this spice was discovered sometime around 1512 by Portuguese explorers who were hunting and stocking up spices. Introduction of this new aromatic spice in the global market made a spurt in the demand and soon nutmeg became uncrowned global spice star. In India, the favorable tropical climate of southern shores shared growth of nutmeg trees which resulted in the increased trading of nutmeg spice, nutmeg oil and nutmeg butter to the outer world. Today, nutmeg is cultivated in India as a cash crop in almost all districts of Kerala and its bordering Tamil Nadu districts. This tropical fruit is generally known by popular names such as Jaifal, Jajikaya, Jadikai and Javitri. As we know, nutmeg is very well known for its warm and nutty aromatic flavor that can altogether change the flavor and taste of both sweet and savory dishes and cuisines. For this reason, spice-loving people all over the world goes crazy for this spice. History says that this spice plant has inseparable relevance with the life of ancient people. Ancient Indians used nutmeg seed oil for intestinal disorders. Egyptians used them in embalming royals while Italians used to cure plague. Cultivation of nutmeg as cash crop is very promising business. The greatest advantages of successfully growing this precious spice plant for commercial uses is that two separate well-known spices, that is nutmeg spice powder from seeds and maize from seed coverings, are available. Nutmeg as a spice has great significance in food industry. The fleshy part of nutmeg fruits is used in baked items, sausages, puddings, confections, vegetables, pickles, meat and fish curries. As a herbal folk medicine, this spice plant is very much in use all over the world. The fruit peel and green leaves are used to make nutmeg essential oil, which has an important role in the making of soap, beauty products, and a variety of cosmetic items. Nutmeg essential oil is also used very commonly for muscular aches, cramps, gastrointestinal issues, and pains. The well-known reddish brown nutmeg butter obtained from nuts enriched with mastic acid, palmitic acid, animal fats and vegetable fats is excellent to soothe skin irritations. Nutmeg butter has the taste and smell of nutmeg spice. This is used in various lotions, creams, lip balms, shampoos, hair pomades and hair conditioners. Now let us understand how this spice plant can be grown. Growing nutmeg plant is not very difficult. Propagation is generally done through air layering, grafting and budding methods, as propagation from seeds takes much time. Besides, the quality, size and taste of spice maize produced by offsprings may also differ from the original plant. For growing nutmeg plants from seeds, only healthy and fresh seeds must be used. Seeds easily germinate when they are fresh and moist. If the seeds are dried, soak them well in clean water before planting. This can speed up the germination process. Seeds generally takes 3 to 5 weeks time to germinate. Trees grown from seeds may flower and fruit very late. Young plants can be separated and grown in small pots or containers before they are finally shifted to open area, as these plants may grow to a height of about 50 to 60 or 65 feet. Nutmeg plants always enjoy growing in sandy loam, clay loam and laterite soils. The soil must be neutral or slightly acidic. The soil with pH level between 6 and 7 is ideal for their growth. Nutmeg trees need partially shaded area. They actively grow and flourish well in warm, humid conditions under partial tree shades. In Kerala, nutmeg trees are largely found as an intercrop in coconut and mango tree gardens. Among nutmeg, there are male and female plants. The dioecious nature of nutmeg plants is always a problem for cultivators. Male trees needed for cross-pollination can be identified only when the tree grows up. Only female plants produce fruits. Report says that identification of male and female plants is possible from plants' appearance. Female plants is said to have longer and wider leaf with more veins, bigger stem and branching as compared to male plants. Nutmeg plants mostly flower during dry periods. The flowers are pale yellow in color and have fragrance. From these pretty flowers, lovely nutmeg fruits develop. Fruiting of trees grown from seeds takes almost 6 to 8 years' time. Initial yielding may be comparatively less, but as the tree becomes old and mature, they start producing higher yields. Nutmeg plants are pendulous and have single seed, which makes it a dupe-like apricot. If proper care is taken, nutmeg trees can survive and happily deliver fruits even beyond half a century period. Harvest is generally done from June to August period. Fruits almost take 9 months time from flowering to harvest. The fleshy round nutmeg fruits when ripened splits into two halves, resembling the oval shape shiny dark brown seeds. These seeds are coated by a lacy red crimson areole attached at the base of the seed. After harvesting, these ripe fruits are cleaned and stored. Nutmeg maize spice is very much in demand in the market. Making nutmeg maize is very easy. Maize spice is made from lacy round outer coating that covers the shell around the kernel. For making maize spice, the crimson colored areole is removed, flattened and dried for 2 weeks. At this stage, the color of these changes to pale yellow, orange or tan. The whole dry maize is then packed in airtight containers for use. As I have said earlier, nutmeg oil and nutmeg butter are two other important items produced from nutmeg plants. The process of making nutmeg oil is generally done by steam distillation, water distillation, and extraction by solvents. The refining method is usually done through steam distillation. Though nutmeg has various nutritional benefits, they are not safe for pets. Dogs may like the flavor and taste of dishes cooked with nutmeg spice. But it is always better to keep away our loving pets from this spice as they are toxic and harmful to health. Unlike other plants, nutmeg plants are not attacked by too many insects as these plants have naturally occurring eugenol present in them. However, black scales and white scales sometimes infest on these spice plants. As these can adversely affect both the plants and the yields, care must be taken to protect them from these insects. Use of effective insecticides and regular observation of the plants can to a great extent keep away these pests and other diseases. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the contents, please like, subscribe and share this video. We at Saubernica Store Home Garden grow rare and exotic plants to cater the needs of plant lovers. I will be back with details of another rare plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.